We are seeing similar temperatures to what we saw on Wednesday. The only difference, however, it was beautiful yesterday, gloomy today. The clouds have rolled in with a disturbance. It's pretty much impacting lower Michigan. Looking at those winds, though, out of the southeast at 6, humidity up to 80%. So it's a little bit icky out there. And looking at those temperatures, they've actually fallen a little bit more towards the western UP than what we were seeing back on your Wednesday. You can see 36 in Ontonagon. Only warm spot really is Ironwood at 48 degrees. But the chill has moved on now throughout a good portion of the Wisconsin border. 36 in Iron Mountain and Escanaba, 37 in Ishpeming, and very close to 40 degrees in St. Ignace and at the Sioux. Looking at those winds, mostly coming out of an easterly direction, either out of the northeast or out of the southeast. 12 in Escanaba, 9 in Munising, straight out of the east, and stronger in Houghton at 18 miles per hour. The clouds will still linger tonight and going into the first half of the day on your Friday as this disturbance makes its way towards the northeast. We could see a couple snow showers, especially towards the eastern UP and also along the Lake Michigan shoreline. Accumulations could reach up to 2 inches, and with those winds beginning to pick up a little bit throughout the evening, that could reduce that visibility, so make sure to exercise caution. By the time we get towards the second half of your day on Friday, clouds begin to move out. Sunshine is possible very late in the day, especially the further west you go, better chances of sunshine. By the time we get towards the weekend, it's looking to be splendid. Temperatures actually warming up into those 50s by Sunday before some clouds roll in Sunday night, triggering some rain on your Monday. Now, looking at the setup for today, you can see, though, most of the rain pretty much staying towards the south into southern lower Michigan. Severe thunderstorm watch for a good portion of southern Illinois and into western Kentucky. So rough weather for them, unfortunately, later on this evening. And you can see snow showers already pushing through northern lower Michigan and towards the eastern UP, but very light accumulations, only 1 to 2 inches at best. Now, closer look, though, the clouds really thick through the UP, really keeping it gloomy. Temperatures not really moving too much at all throughout the entire day. Low pressure situated in Missouri. This will pretty much go on a northeasterly track as we go through the next 24 hours. You can already see by the time we get towards tomorrow already into parts of eastern Ohio, while lower Michigan switches over from some snow and mixed precipitation now to rain. That will begin to cause some improvements for us throughout the day as this pushes towards the northeast. And the weather's looking to be just splendid, spectacular. Take advantage of the outdoors. Just go outside, do some hiking, do some exploring. Beautiful. Just make sure to have the sunglasses with you. But overall, no real complaints until Sunday night. We begin to see some clouds rolling in, eventually triggering that rain, as you can see in parts of Minnesota and Iowa on your Monday. By then, you may want to bring that raincoat and umbrella with you for the beginning of the work week. 29 degrees, winds out of the east at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Breezy conditions will continue on your Friday as those clouds gradually push from west to east out of the area. Temperatures, though, in the 40s along Lake Superior, 46 in Ontonagon, 43 in Houghton, 41 in Munising, closer to 50 along the Wisconsin border, 50 in Florence and Iron Mountain. Beautiful weekend, first weekend of April, rising to 53 on Sunday. Pretty much going to stay steady in those 40s for a good portion of the work week. By the time you get towards the middle of the week, though, we could introduce a new disturbance into the area.